When the United States Supreme Court issued an emergency stay on October 3 in a case involving only Venezuelan temporary protected status holders, the court's action was narrow and procedural, meant simply to allow the Department of Homeland Security to enforce its revised timeline for Venezuela, while an appeal moved forward. The court did not interpret the temporary protected status statute, did not rule on the Department of Homeland Security's broader authority, and did not address any other country's designation, including Haiti. It was a single-country interim order with no precedential reach beyond the specific dispute before it. Yet the Department of Homeland Security has publicly described that limited ruling as if it carried far broader significance, invoking it on its official temporary protected status page for Haiti as evidence of an 8-1 Supreme Court victory in a similar case. That framing is misleading. By presenting an emergency stay as though it were an endorsement of early temporary protected status terminations generally, the Department of Homeland Security obscures the reality that the Supreme Court has said nothing about Haiti and nothing about the Department of Homeland Security's statutory authority to shorten previously announced protection periods. Those cases are intensely litigated and have frequently led to courts extending periods of TPS beyond what even DHS has authorized. This sort of selective description risks confusing non-lawyers who rely on government summaries to understand their legal rights. The danger lies in how effectively such framing reshapes perception. When asked to identify the current state of Haitian temporary protected status protections, even OpenAI's most advanced public model initially produced the wrong answer, absorbing the Department of Homeland Security's misleading public characterization as if it reflected binding law. If a system built to process legal text can be led astray by distorted summaries, imagine the impact on families trying to decipher their future in a second language from a phone screen. That is the true power of legal framing, not its accuracy, but its ability to override the law in the minds of those most vulnerable to misunderstanding it.